Okay, so I hope you understood the concept still here, and the font styling which was not good. It is because the bootstrap was imported in the index HTML page, which we can of course migrate to the index, or even like a simple script tags can be directly written here in our project. I mean here, which where we already done for this styling. So and we that way we don't to need them in the index HTML pages, and they will be much cleaner the way we have written before. So even if we remove from this and this, it will still keep working. So let's build the uh, project again one more time, and after that we will try to build the elements one more time and verify that the things are as expected and the fonts and everything looks just fine, so that users don't have to worry much about that what styles and everything is used. I think I will not publish the library now, and I will simply pack elements, sorry, build elements as the new library is available, and the build is created anyway, just not published to the npm. So the local file will be picked up to produce the bundle, so we don't have to worry on that part. So once this build is ready, we will simply test onto our test.html page, where we have just implemented this element.js file, imported this js file. And the step that I have mentioned you is free mqtd bot lib elements.js. So I've renamed this file because this is more reliable name. It is writing to this one. Okay. And this one too. So I guess the build is broken due to me. Okay, so let's wait for a couple of minutes. So and there are multiple options as well. You can even go via unpackage and everything, but I guess the elements have or elements can be deployed directly via the static delivery from Heroku as well. And of course Heroku is not the preferred way because it is not a CDN, so we can go with some CDN version of it. Of course you can deploy to the CDN. I have not explored that area too much because I usually prefer the npm versions, but now onwards you can even go with the CDN, and if time permits, then I will create another video to or extended video to this one that demonstrates the same thing, right? So now even after refreshing, and as you can see that the in test page is just imported the elements.js, and if I reload the page, the fonts are also loading just fine. Okay, so I guess this is what we have thought of, and we can make the final deployment to Heroku that have everything inside, and the server is available from there, and we can shut down the local server and can monitor whether it is working just fine or not. So and just let me Heroku so let me just build this library, sorry, build the backend, and let's commit the changes. So today I have intentionally not built it multiple times. So I will post it only twice twice today. So hopefully, yeah, build succeeded, and we will just monitor the logs. And as our local server is shut down anyway, so we don't have to worry on or let's see the logs, and just notice that these are the server logs. So if I send a message from here, hey, so that message should be received here, and this solves the use case that from test HTML page. So yeah, so it is saved to the DB. Just to reconfirm on that, we will quickly check into our database. Here from server itself, it got total documents 1 to 20 of many. Okay, next. When it is created 776. There are many documents. Yeah, so from test HTML page, and this proves that your Atlas MongoDB is connected with your server is connected with your test mosquito org, and all your HTML pages, Angular applications are all are interconnected. And this proves that even with not paying a single penny, you can implement your own chatbot applications. So in the next course, if you are interested, if I get many registrations on this course, please recommend this, and I will build the freeware system to apply or make it available for your uh, support people, and you can build your own applications that can give support to people. In the next part as well, we will connect to the Telegram bots, and it will be very interactive than what we have right now. So you can even say like this is the major block that you must learn about how you can actually implement the freeware system. And of course this is a real-time system, so it is it have its own scope and features as compared to the regular REST based services and applications. And as it is scalable, as we have seen, like it's available for Angular, React, and even with the plain HTML pages, it makes lots of sense to have them available at any place. So thanks for your time, and I hope that you like this course. You will thumbs up this course and share it with your friends, family, and mostly enthusiasts and the people. If you have any suggestions, please reach back to me at any point of time. For the server code, I will push that to the same Git repo, or I will create another repo, and you should be able to get it into the project description. So thank you, and have a nice day.